How to turn off auto dubbing on YouTube. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open YouTube video and then go ahead and start playing the video that has auto dubbing enabled in it. Once you have opened, tap on the settings option you see there on the video settings and then tap on the audio track or simply audio option you see there. YouTube will then show you all the available tracks for that particular video, such as original or English dubbed or Spanish dubbed or French dubbed, etc. Simply go ahead and select the original audio option you see there, and this will immediately turn off auto dubbing. Now, if you play the video, you can hear that the dubbing has been disabled. So this is how you can simply turn off auto dubbing. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.